back. Now, fresh claims are emerging tonight over the dramatic raid on former President Uhuru Kenyatta's family farm in Ruiru in 2023. With outspoken Githunguri Member of Parliament, Gathoni Wamuchomba, now alleging that the operation was not spontaneous but planned. In a startling revelation made during a local Kikuyu radio interview, Wamuchomba claims a secret meeting in Thika and a WhatsApp group later closed to her were used by Mount Kenya lawmakers to coordinate the attack. Now she says she was kicked out of the plan for refusing to take part. Take a look.
The outspoken lawmaker now claims that all members of parliament from Mount Kenya region, apart from her, were part of the plan to raid former President Uhuru Kenyatta's family farm in Ruiru. Wamuchomba adding that the MPs attended a meeting in a house in Thika Greens estate to plan the raid.
Wagufanga ki
wagufanga uria mburi ikaiwo na hosti wa mucemanio cio wa Thika Greens nio ikaine na mbia cigecangwo cia guthi kuiya mburi nie njaragia ma
yani
na ona ingitwaro igoti ni njirwo ndugame ndute wira ngaruta wira o ucio.
In an interview with the local station, the lawmaker added that she was removed from the planning WhatsApp group when she opposed the planned raid.
Nie ndarutirwo WhatsApp page na nie njaragia madebe ya
WhatsApp page ya aicia
mburi tondu ni ndamerite mutambo-ini ucio wa WhatsApp mugithie kuiya mburi cia ithe wa ngina nie ndire hau
hatiriri tondu
ndagwitwo muru ndietwo muru riu ona acio mathiete kuiya mburi ri nio maria mbere kunjita muru ya Uhuru
tabetiga nini hold on mweshimwa tondu no arehe ndo serious
yes
tondu ni gubangwo gwabangirwo thiini wa WhatsApp
yeni
mburi cia mama ngina ikaiyo
yes
onu ndu wabangitwo
oh yes na kwari nginya na mitandao wa WhatsApp na ndambire gwikio ndire ndandikira hau mitandao-ini.
It is in that meeting she says money to organize the raid were contributed by Mount Kenya members of parliament. In March 2023, hundreds stormed the farm for the President Uhuru Kenyatta. The crowds reportedly set fire to parts of the farm owned by the family of former Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta in apparently in retaliation for fierce opposition protests. There has been blames and counter-blames between leaders from the Mount Kenya region over who funded the raid, while former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua blames it on his successor Professor Kithure Kindiki, and former Cabinet Secretary Moses Kuria says he personally witnessed Gachagua paying people to raid the farm during the then opposition Azimio-led anti-government protests. Elizabeth Mutuko, TV 47, Nairobi.